When they came together in Galilee, he said to them,
The Son of Man is going to be betrayed into the hands of men. They will kill him. And on the third day he will be raised to life.
And the disciples were filled with grief.
After Jesus and his disciples arrived in Capernaum, the collectors of the 2-drachma tax came to Peter and asked, "Doesn't your teacher pay the temple tax?" "Yes, he does," he replied.
When Peter came into the house, Jesus was the first to speak.
What do you think, Simon?
He asked,
From whom do the kings of the earth collect duty and taxes? From their own sons or from others?
From others.
Peter answered.
Then the sons are exempt.
Jesus said to him,
But so that we may not offend them, go to the lake and throw out your line. Take the first fish you catch, open its mouth, and you will find a 4-drachma coin. Take it and give it to them for my tax and yours.